All right, we got a 2013 Honda dirt bike. It's a HD 109 keyway. So we've got the Lishi HON70 reader, and we'll go ahead and decode the ignition, and then we'll cut a key for it. All right, make sure it's all the way in. You can find a way to record the cuts here. All right, this thing is pretty simple to use. Get where I can see it. May need the shoulder here, not getting anything, so you put that down and it creates another shoulder. There it goes. So you put the little lever down so it backs the shoulder up a hair. Okay, then we'll just go ahead and read it. So we got a 1, 3, 1. 3, 2, 2, 3, and 2. All right, and I'll just run it through a code fill to make sure it's a good code, and we'll go from there. All right, so we run it through code fill. We get one code, so we get an indication that we've decoded it correctly. So now we'll go use the Condor Dolphin, and we'll cut a key for it. All right, so since we have the key code for it, R98, we're gonna just go ahead and cut it under all keys lost, under Honda Cycles, and the code was R98. And that gives us cuts, and this is a shoulder stop key. So we use our shoulder stop. Clamped in there. All right, and cut key. Alright, so there's a key cut here. Hand it to my assistant and go try it out. Alright, that works.
Look at that.
And make sure it works the ignition as well. And perfect. So that's the HON70 Lishi, making a key to a 2013 Honda dirt bike. And questions, comments, leave them in the comments, and that'll do it for now. We'll talk to everybody later.